What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm gonna be reacting to someone, that's not in the wave game, but it kind of has to do with hair. So I just, decided to react to him. I watch Spiritual Soul because, it's just sometimes, I'm into that stuff, that spirituality stuff, vibrations, GMOs, how like what's in the food we eat. I'm into stuff like that. So I watch Spiritual Soul, I watch Infinite Waters, I watch all this stuff. I'm interested, alright? So yeah, Spiritual Soul cut his, I know about Spiritual Soul because that's the channel I'm subscribed to. I'm not subscribed to his SoLLUMINATY channel because I don't really watch that. But the Spiritual Soul channel, I'm subscribed to it. I've been watching it for a while now, and I've just known him to have dreads. And I think I watched a video of him a long time ago when his girlfriend deleted his NBA 2K 99 overall player or something like that. And then that joint was crazy. Like at that time, I wasn't on YouTube yet. I wasn't uploading videos yet. So that's why I saw him, but I didn't really know him. I only really knew him in 2020 when everything started going crazy. And I just started watching Spiritual Soul. His dreads was so long. And then he cut them off. I just saw the thumbnail of him bald. And I'm just like, oh, heck nah. I'm gonna react to this, you feel me? So yeah, me and my girlfriend in the background, that's our channel. You guys go subscribe to us. I'm gonna have a link in my description. But yeah, man, let's get into this video. Spiritual Soul going bald. He's scalped. Hey, man, you might as well hop in the wave game. Yeah, I start brushing. But without further ado, guys, let's get right into this video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Alright, so this is SoLLUMINATY's page. Cut my hair bald. And I'm not subscribed to him. I don't know if I should subscribe, you feel me? All he do is play video games on his channel, I believe. But I might as well, yeah, man, might as well subscribe. Like the video as always. But yeah, we just gonna make this full screen and we just gonna get to watching. Welcome to the wave game, SoLLUMINATY. We in the Matrix. I don't believe this, man. He ain't cut them dreads, man. We in the Matrix. Matrix? Alright, man, come on, man. Let's get to the haircut. I want to see that jump.
Let me show y'all this.
Oh, heck nah. We in the Matrix, man. Don't believe everything you see. Don't believe everything you see. Matrix, man. Matrix. I don't believe this. I don't.
When I first did it, I cried.
He cried.
After a while, I felt the sense of relief.
I mean, I understand, man. You've been growing your hair for so long. You cry. Yeah, that's understandable.
Like, I released a lot of, pain. Like, I feel good as hell right now. I'm actually smiling. I'm happy as fuck. Let me show y'all this, though.
Yo. He really did that jump. That's crazy, man.
I just went all over my shit. Just let it all go, man. You gotta let go to grow.
That's crazy. I'm speechless. I'm speechless, man. Hey, man, SoLLUMINATY. Yo, drop in the comments, man. I'm gonna send you some do-rags, man. I'm gonna send you some do-rags. I'm gonna send you some brushes. I'm gonna send you some pomade, some hair care products, man. Welcome to the wave game, man. Just welcome to the wave game. Now all you gotta do is watch my videos so I can teach you how to get waves, man. Take care of your hair, my guy. Bro, this is the first time I see somebody going like scalping, actually with the light skin face. Like he like with the light skin face, bro.
Excuse my elbows, that's tough.
They ask you.
They all go.
Bro, this man really cut his junk. That's crazy. That's tough. That's tough.
No, first thing first. I'm looking outside, it ain't no sun. My bald head, I got a white nigga head. The fuck? My bald head gotta get some sun. But overall, I feel like I got a different glow about myself now. Like,
yo, I bet you his head felt super light, like with no head. He probably just, oh snap, I gotta get used to this. Every time he just relaxed his head going forward, cause it's not heavy no more.
feel like my teeth whiter or something. I don't know.
Man,
you see that shit?
Isn't it? He wildin'. Talking about something, his teeth whiter cause he cut. Get out of here, man.
Oh, exactly. Yeah, shit. My overall went up to a 99. I want y'all to know it don't matter.
His overall went up to a 99. You better make sure your girl don't delete that player no more, man.
No, it don't matter how you look at all. It don't matter. It don't matter if you think you ugly and all. It's weird. It don't matter.
It don't.
You can do and be anything.
That's why I don't care when y'all talk about my hairline. Corvette. Hey, I'll be on TikTok.
As long as
I could dance. Y'all already know I could dance.
facing your shit, get out of your comfort zone. Y'all been
Guys, I apologize for all this cursing, man. Stop cursing.
with me for this long, and I have never showed y'all my hairline or none of that shit. It's stuff about me. I had everything I want. Millions of fans. Y'all accepted me for who I was, but I still wasn't good within myself, with myself. Now I feel free. I feel like I left a lot. I let off a lot of weight.
Alright, man, that shit. I'm not about to watch this whole thing. I just want to see the cut. Spiritual soul, SoLLUMINATY. I don't even know what to call you, man. But I just know him by his spiritual channel. Alright, y'all. Like I said, man, spiritual soul. Drop in the comments, man. Let me know if you want some hair care products. I got you, man. Like, come to the wave game. Like, we wavers, we lit. Alright, this was a pretty dope scalp, man. Like, having dreads for that long and just scalping that junk. Yeah, I really would like to see spiritual soul. Damn, I don't even know what to call him. I'm just calling him spiritual soul. Would like to see soul in the wave game, man. So, you know, just if you watch this video, man, just let me know what you think, man. You gonna be a waver, or you just gonna rock that baldy, or you just gonna have regular hair? You know, just simple, regular, ordinary hair. You see Flight, my boy Flight, Clarence in the wave game. Even Chris Sales in the wave game, man. Hop in the wave game, man. Hop in, man. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. It was a little short video, short reaction. I don't know. It was just like something I felt like I had to react to. You feel me? I watch them, and then if I'm to cut his dreads like that, I had to react to it. But thank you guys for watching this video, man. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button for your boy, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hold up. Don't forget to subscribe, man. Subscribe. Y'all gotta subscribe to my second channel. Y'all go do that.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't